This is absolutely insane, guys. I just created this stunning WordPress Elementor website using Claude AI. And here is the crazy part. You can create Pinterest, Dribbble or Figma inspired WordPress websites in just a few minutes using the exact same method. No more spending hours dragging and dropping elements or struggling with complicated layouts. Simply describe the design you want, ask Claude AI and get a professional looking website generated for you without writing a single line of code. AI is completely changing the way we build WordPress websites. Watch this complete video till the end and copy my exact workflow and you will be able to do the same. Let's get started. So in order to create a Pinterest inspired website design, just go to pinterest.com and search for the kind of website you are looking for. For example, I am creating a plumbing website for the sake of this tutorial, okay? And after that you will be able to see amazing looking inspirational designs, okay? So you can click any of it and simply save it. And here is a quick disclaimer that this tutorial is simply for educational purposes and I don't recommend to copying someone else's work, but taking inspiration will be just fine, okay? So you can repeat the same process for Dribbble, Figma or Behance, and I will show you the exact workflow which works exactly same for all of these to convert this inspired design into a fully working WordPress website. Let's proceed ahead. So here is the website inspirational design I have downloaded and I am going to convert it into a fully working WordPress website using Elementor and Claude AI. Okay, so in order to do that, let's upload our website design to Claude and give it a simple prompt that analyze the attached website design mockup and give me a detailed prompt to create the website with all the section mentioned in the menu. Make sure the layout, font, color and vibe remains the same. After that, make sure to select the Claude Sonnet 5 model because it is one of the most popular free powerful model available right now. And let the Claude run for few seconds and we have got our prompt ready. And it has mentioned everything from style, typography to shapes, buttons and everything else. The complete structure sections we are going to have on our website. So let me simply download the prompt and let's attach it again into Claude and give it another simple prompt. Use this attached prompt and create an amazing looking HTML, Tailwind CSS and JS based website which can be later converted into Elementor JSON template. And after that, let's hit enter and Claude will do all the heavy liftings and create us a fully working website in few minutes. So let's wait for it. Amazing. So we have got our HTML version ready and it has given us this custom CSS code and the JS code as well. So let's download all of them all together. Simply click on this download all button and it will be downloaded into a zip file. And after that, we will be able to extract and see our website into our local server. So let me simply extract this file here. Let's see. And once done, let me open the file and let's open this index.html and check this out, guys. This is already looking insane because it has almost cloned our inspirational website design, okay, and it's looking insanely good, guys. Okay, there are some flaws. For example, we need to put the placeholder images over here and also I didn't like this bottom button for the call section. Okay, so let me get back to the Claude again and ask it to put the placeholder images from free stock images websites like Pixel or Unsplash. Also ask it to remove the big orange call button from the bottom of the website. And after that, let's hit enter and it will start running and give us the modified version. So let's wait for it. And Claude is doing all the heavy liftings. So we have got our updated website ready. So let me download it once again and let me extract it real quick in my local folder. Okay, over here and let's check our website again. So here we go and check this out, guys. This time the images has been fixed and we have got our placeholder image ready and it's already looking exactly like our inspired design with in terms of style, fonts, in terms of layout and everything else. And we just given it one single image and it has converted it into a fully working HTML website. Okay, and after that we are now ready to convert it into a fully working WordPress Elementor website. Okay, so let me go to the Claude again and ask it to give a simple and short precise prompt to convert this website into a fully working WordPress Elementor website. Okay, so it has given me the prompt right over here. I will make sure to put the link into the description for all the optimized prompts, so you guys won't have to spend hours to get this right. Okay, so after pasting my prompt, make sure to attach the HTML version of your website, all the 3 files you have got, and Claude will do all the heavy liftings and give us the Elementor JSON template, which can be directly downloaded into our WordPress website. But before that, let me recommend you one of the best hosting platforms so that you can have the domain and hosting and your WordPress setups already. Okay, so make sure to check the link into the description for Hostinger and check out their business hosting plan over there, and make sure to select the duration to at least 1 year so that you can claim a free domain while buying their hosting. Okay, and after that you will be able to install the WordPress. I will make sure to put the link into the description on how to install WordPress after getting your domain hosting from Hostinger. As I have already installed my WordPress installation, let me show you how to install some themes and plugins which are required for this HTML to WordPress conversion. Okay, so make sure to install the Astra theme, which is one of the most popular WordPress theme right now. Okay, simply click on install and activate this theme. Let's activate this theme. And after that, let me install one of the most popular page builder for WordPress, which is known as Elementor, and it's for a good reason, because it lets you create and customize any website using drag and drop builder all visually. Okay, so we are going to convert our website into a fully working WordPress Elementor website. Okay, so let me install and activate this plugin as well. And we are all set now. Okay, let's get back to Claude again and let's see how it goes. Okay, so Claude has returned us the Elementor JSON template file and also the additional CSS which will go into the WordPress additional customizer. So let me upload them now. I didn't got them right on the first time, so what I did, I have uploaded the screenshot of the modifications needed on the WordPress version, and Claude has returned me again the Elementor JSON template and the additional CSS which will go into WordPress customizer to get the same look of our website, just like our image inspiration. Okay, so let me show you how can you create a page into WordPress and upload your Elementor JSON file. Okay, so let's create a new page over here. Let's name it home, and after that let's publish this page. And after publishing, let's click on edit with Elementor, and we need to select the page layout to Elementor canvas in order to get rid of this header and the page title on the top. So make sure to click on page settings over here. After that, scroll down and select the page layout to Elementor canvas, and now that should be gone. Okay, after that make sure to click on the publish button and your layout will be saved. So let's import our Elementor template and let's click on templates over here. Let's select our JSON file we just downloaded, and after that click on continue, and our Elementor JSON template would be uploaded. Click on insert button and it will be inserted on our Elementor page. And check this out guys, the structure is ready, the layout is ready, but it's definitely not looking like our inspiration, our HTML version. So let me open the customizer of this WordPress admin section, and let's go to Claude and copy our custom CSS. Simply click on this copy button and all the additional CSS will be copied. Just paste it here and click on the publish button, and check this out guys. Okay, so this is now definitely looking like our image inspiration. Let's refresh the page and check out the WordPress website now, and check this out guys. Okay, it's now looking like our HTML inspiration. There are some few flaws, but we will fix it real quick, no issues. Okay, so we just need to put the images over here and modify the font text in the footer so that it can be more visible like our HTML version. Okay, so before we start editing this website using Elementor, we will need to make some changes into Elementor editor. Okay, so let's go to WordPress admin dashboard and let's go to Elementor and editor, and under that settings. Okay, and go to the atomic editor into it, and make sure to deactivate this atomic editor because it's not an appreciated way of creating Elementor website. At least for me, I didn't like it much. So we need to click into the features and need to activate the container layout instead. to create and edit Elementor websites. Okay, after that, let's go to our page and click on edit with Elementor, and we are now ready to edit our page and make it just like our HTML version. First of all, let's get rid of these extra columns because there should be only 3 columns in a row and it's looking ugly because we have 6 over here. Okay, so let me delete them real quick. And let's delete this one as well. So we got 3 columns in a row right now. Okay, just like our HTML version. Okay, we have got 2 rows and 3 columns each row. Okay, so let me show you how can you add one more row with the 3 columns. So let me add this container over here, and after that make sure to change its direction to horizontal. Okay, so let's click on the 3 dots over here and let's change this direction to row horizontal so that all the elements, for example this container we duplicate, will be shown horizontally on the row. Okay, so let me duplicate it and it will be pasted horizontally. Let me duplicate it once again, so we will have total 3 boxes. Okay, after that let's simply copy this icon box and let's paste here. Okay, and let me repeat the same process for the left 2. Okay, so we got this button over here and let me copy and paste it over here, and after that let's change parent container direction to vertical. Okay, so that it will be shown vertically underneath our icon box. Okay, so let's change it vertical and let me repeat the same process for left 2 boxes. Okay, so let me do them real quick. And all done. Let me publish the page and let's refresh our page and check this out. Okay, so it will now look exactly similar to our HTML version. Okay, check this out guys, it's been fixed. Amazing. So let's replace the placeholder images with the real images just like our HTML version. Okay, so let me download the 2 images we have on our website. Okay, and after that let's edit with Elementor and let's go to the image section over here and let's upload our images and let's insert it real quick. As you can see, everything is made using Elementor native elements, and so editing the website is completely drag and drop and very easy. Okay, so let me update the image over here as well, and we can simply add more sections as well on the website because it's completely based on Elementor. So let me refresh the page and check this out guys, and it's looking pretty awesome. Now we have got almost same vibe like our HTML version, and we can't say which one is HTML website and which is made using our WordPress Elementor version. And check out this map guys, it's also a native widget of Elementor. So let's do some small editings and fix our footer as well. Okay, so let's scroll down and go to the footer, and after that check out this text editor. We need to change the text color to white over here. Okay, so let's change it and it will be more visible, and we can repeat the same process for all the other elements listed over here because as you can see it is an icon list. So let's change its color to orange color of our branding. Okay, so let's go to our CSS file and here is the orange color code. Let me simply copy it and let's go back to our Elementor footer version once again and let's paste our code and check this out guys. Okay, the color has been updated successfully, but I think the white will be better over here. Okay, so I have replaced it with a white color and check this out guys, it's already looking awesome. Okay, so let me repeat the same process for this icon list. Let me change the color to white and let's do under the services as well. Okay, so everything is pretty simple, everything is made using Elementor native elements, so editing them is very easy. Okay, so let me repeat the same process for this icon list as well. Okay, so this is how you can simply create or convert any inspirational design to a WordPress Elementor website within minutes. Okay, let me change this one as well. Let's scroll up to change it to white, and it's not working. I know because it's might be using this class. Okay, so let me simply remove this class over here and let me remove this div as well, and we are good to go because it was controlled using additional CSS earlier and we have fixed it now. Okay, let me refresh the page and check this out guys. So our complete website is fully working and we can't tell the difference between the HTML version and the WordPress version because we have we have converted it into such a high quality. Okay, so this is how you can make simple editings onto your Elementor template JSON, and you can make it a fully working website. So you can't tell the difference right now which one is HTML and which one is WordPress version. Okay, so let me show you the HTML version real quick. Check this out, and let me go and show you the WordPress version. Okay, they are almost looking exactly same. Okay, I just simply loved the complete workflow and everything else. So what's your take on it? What's your thought on this? Let me know in the comments, and I will make sure to put all the optimized prompts into my blog with a link into description, so you can simply go and follow that along, and you can simply create this kind of good looking website in minutes. I will meet you guys in the next videos. Till then, thank you very much.